Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician. I'm going to talk to you today about facial masks, face masks for the face. I've done some great videos in the last few weeks, which I'm going to put the links at the end of this video that will take you to those so you can look at them again. And the reason I bring this up is that we all go through different phases where our face looks really good, or our face looks really bad, or we look tired, or we just aren't feeling up to par. And I've noticed that with myself the last few weeks. Some days I just can't believe how great I think I feel. My face is so firm and toned, and I'm feeling really good. And then you'll have another day you wake up and you go, what happened to my face? It just doesn't look the same. Or you might think, oh my gosh, what happened to my face? Does that sound familiar? Because I know we all go through that. So I wanted to remind you with, again, referencing you to my other videos. I have a great firming mask that it's my ultra firming mask. And that one to me is hardcore when you really need to firm up your face. And I just did that myself just a couple days ago. I just did not like the way my face looked. So I put on my ultra firming mask, and I have a great kit that it comes in. Put it on my face, and only left it on for 20 minutes because it gets very, very, very hard. Left it on for about 20 minutes, and then I rinsed it off in the shower. And it just refreshed my face, took away all the stuff in it I didn't like. It just toned it back up again almost instantly. And the other mask, which I just did a video on a couple days ago, is my 24 karat gold double blast of oxygen mask. That one, I tell you, the minute you rinse it off, you look good. It's just so hydrating, firming, toning, lifting, because I did that a few days ago, and all that day and the next day I would look at myself, I go, my skin looks so good. It just was perfect, no indentations anywhere, just smooth as silk. And that's exciting for me because I'll see that and I go, I want to run and tell you all about it. You guys need to do this. So that's what my video is all about today. There's different masks out there. Sheet masks, which we all see. You can see them in the stores, see them online, and I sell them myself, and the prices can vary. Those are wonderful if you want to just put it on and either calm your face or lift it or tone it or whatever. And that works really good for like a day or two. Or you could do the ones that you mix up with powder. Those I find last a little bit longer because it's a little more work to do them, but they last longer. And then like my ultra firming mask that I have, if you do that at least, I would say even once a week, you'll start seeing a huge difference in your face. That one's cumulative because it definitely massages the muscles underneath. You could see it, you could feel it when it's on your face. So if you do that, I would, like if you bought it and you really needed to look good, I would do that twice a week in the beginning, and then just once a week, and just on your face and your neck too. And you're gonna see a great difference, even in the if you have double chin. I'd put it on your neck and your chin, and you're gonna see a difference with all of that. So look at the end of this video again, and I'm going to have so you could click on and you could go to the next video and look for all the information on the mask. So I look forward to hearing from you. If you want to call me on my toll-free number, send me an email, whatever it needs. I'm here to help you. And there's no reason, I don't care how old you are, there's no reason that you can't have the skin that you want without injections or fillers. Thank you. Bye.